this fall, and getting dangerous. Then we have the precipitation pattern that's swirling all around. The mid-level low pressure is causing it to swirl like that. And the way the winds here, this is no precipitation. You see how it swirls around. That's some of the drier air that is pushing in. And typically the strongest gusts then are with that because this is sinking air.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Boone County in north central Illinois, western McHenry County in northeast Illinois, Winnebago County in north central Illinois until 10:15 p.m. At 9:09 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and destructive winds in excess of 75 miles per hour. These storms were located along the line extending from Walworth to Cedarville to 7 miles west of Freeport and moving east at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Auburn, McChesney Park, Loves Park, Rockford Airport, Belvedere, Marengo, Roscoe, Cacatonica, Capron, Winnebago, Poplar Grove, Cherry Valley, New Milford, and Union. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, large hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the